Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll learn about preposition. First of all, what is preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the position of a person, place, or thing. Basically, it tells us about the location of someone or something. In other words, we can say that preposition is a word that shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word in a sentence. We have different example of preposition. First of all is in. In is used when something is present inside the other. Here apples are inside the basket, so we are using preposition in. The apples are in the basket. In next example, we have preposition on. On is used when something is on the surface of other. For example, here boys are on the surface of trunk. So we are saying the boys are sitting on the trunk. Next is under. Under is used when something is below to other thing. For example, here girl is below the umbrella. We are saying the girl is under the umbrella. The girl is under the umbrella. Next we have behind. Behind is used when something is at the back of other thing. Here house is at the back of boy, so we are saying the house is behind the boy. So we use behind when something is at the back of other thing. The house is behind the boy. In front of is used when something is before something. For example, here girl is before to the door, so we can say the girl is in front of the door. Beside is used when some object is next to the other or someone is next to the other. Here house is next to the tree, so we can say the house is beside the tree, because beside is used when something is next to the other. Next is above. Above is used when some object or something or someone is higher than the other. Here bird is higher than tree. We are using the preposition above. The bird is above the tree. Next is below. Below is used when something is lower than the other. Here we have a lamp that is lower than the AC. So we are saying the lamp is below the AC. In next example, we have between. Between is used when something or someone is in the middle of two things. For example, here boy is in the middle of two dogs. So we are saying the boy is between the two dogs. Next is among. Among is used when someone or something is in the middle of many. For example, here teacher is in the middle of many, so the teacher is among the students. Now it's activity time. You will fill the blank and write the answer in the comment section. The blank is the girl is dash the boy. Next we have the girl is dash the umbrella. You will write the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Hope so you will like the video, and if you like it then share it with your friend. Thank you.